Hello everyone, welcome back to Cybrosys. In today's video, we are taking a look at one of the coolest improvement coming in Odoo 20, the completely upgraded survey UI. The new interface is cleaner, faster, more interactive, and designed to create much better experience for both survey creators and respondents. So let's dive in and explore what's new. Upon moving on to the survey module, you would be able to see that the navigation feels smoother, layout are cleaner, questions cards look more professional and all. So let's consider one of the survey from here. Let's say the furniture creation certification. And upon choosing that, you can see that as you just move onto the customs, you can find that we have different questions over here. Now let me choose it. And if I just click on add a question or anything, you can see that it has become much more professional and smoother. And you can see that you can just navigate into different options over here. Like as you just choose the questions with different options, you can find that there is a slight change in the UI, and you can provide all those things over here. If you just want to add any scales, you can also just add the scales over here. So currently let me create a new question with a scale, and that's a new UI change of Odoo 20. And let's provide it as AI skills, and we can just set a range from 1 to 10, and let me save it. If I just want to add any other one, I can add it. Okay, so I'll be moving on to the metrics, and if you just want to add any metrics like the choices with rows or columns, you can simply add it. So right now I'm not doing that, and let's close this, and you can see that we can just test uh, the survey. So upon clicking on test, you can see that we'll be moving on to the survey, and we can just start the certification. And here you can see that test your furniture knowledge. Okay, so let's continue. And what type of wood is best for the furniture? So let's choose here it as oak. Select all furniture shown in the video. Okay, so I'll be choosing the furnitures, and let's click on continue. And what do you think about the content of the course? You can rate it 5 stars, and let's click on continue. And here you can also specify the AI skills that you have, and let's click on submit, and you can see that submit your survey. Once it's out, it's like a letter in the email, it cannot be recalled. So let's submit it. So you can see that we have just scored 60%, and unfortunately we have failed the test because we haven't provided the proper answers, and we have 3 more attempts which is left. Now if you want to review the answers, you will be getting the option to review it, and you can find the details over here, and you can see that these are some of the survey changes, that is the UI improvement that has taken place in Odoo 20. So let's go to the survey again, and from here you can see that if you just want to see the result directly, you can just get the result over here. Okay, now let's again back to the survey module, and from there we can also just move on to the live survey. And let me consider furniture creation, and here you can see if you just want to export this, we can just export. So we just need to wait for a while, and we have exported it into the spreadsheet. Now again let's move on to the survey module, and from here you can see that I'd like to consider CSRT metric feedback over here, and you can see that we have the live session. So if we just want to create a live session, we'll be getting the option to create the live session. We can just scan the QR, and we are just waiting for the attendees. There are 0 attendees, and let's click on start, and you would be able to see the questions over here. And let's move on with the next questions, and here again let's move on, and once the survey is complete, you can click on end survey, and you'll be getting a thanks card that by letting our time and patience for attending the survey. So these are some of the huge UI improvement that you can find in the Odoo 20 survey module. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And thank you for watching the video.